Po si Emelson, DTF operator dito sa TIT1 Luna. Gamit ito ng 6 na araw na may bilang na 238 meters na run this week. Ito naman po ang aking printed head area. Ang huling palit nung colored ng July, yung white August. Kasabay nun yung damper. Ang capping na may 90% good condition. Head clean. Linisin ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check, yan po, buo naman po siya, pati yung white nya. Ang ink system, tama lang ang label. Ang waste tank, dinispose kahapon. ABR, tsaka ground wire, nakadikit naman po sa pader. Smoke purifier, 100% good condition pa. Andito naman po stock namin ng unused powder, white, DTF film. Ito naman po yung records na nagamit na CMYK, white, powder, DTF film, solution, daily output records, printer daily checklist pala, daily output records. Wala naman kaming in-house order. Thank you po.